Once you design everything in Microsoft Publisher, you might want to swap in pictures without changing its size. If you directly insert a picture, then it might be bigger or smaller. In my case, I have the pictures right here. Let's say I want to replace it with another picture in the same spot. In order to do that, I can double click here and the format tab will appear, that is the picture tools, and I can do something called change picture. So I can go for change picture, click on change picture right here. You have an option whether to replace it from online or from file. So in my case, let me select it from file this time. So let me select that and the Explorer will pop up. Now I'm going to go into my folder right here onto my pictures tab and I'm going to select out my picture which I want to replace it with. So insert and it'll load up the picture and you can see that it has been inserted right here and my other picture moved on to the scratch area. Let me do the same for this one, and in my case I'm going to choose change picture and click on change picture right here, and this time we're going to search from Bing image search. So I'm going to search the Bing for, let's say, coffee, press enter, and it is searching for pictures with coffee in it, just like this, as you can see. So this is the picture I want, and press insert and you will be able to see that the picture actually gets placed right there and without the size being affected. If you want to swap out the pictures again, let's say for example, I can insert, I'm going to import another picture out here. I'm going to go into my tutorial folder and I'm going to insert some of the pictures. Let's say for example, this one. Alright, so let me just keep it aside for a while. So let's say I want to swap the pictures out there. So what I can do is, you can see that there's the swapping icon. I can simply click and drag it right there and the picture gets swapped quite easily. I can do the same here, click and drag, and the size is maintained as you can see right there. So over here, this is the swap icon, click and drag. So that is how easy it is to swap pictures in Microsoft Publisher. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.